Alright guys, since I got the wheel off, I just did brakes on this vehicle, oil pan gasket, motor mount. Been putting in work to get it up to par. Suburban. I'm gonna change out the fog lights. I got some upgrades, so I'm gonna do that right now. Some 7mm. Let's pull this cover back. I just had it off, so it should come off easily. I'm trying to one-hand this. Press down here. Pull it off. There's some tabs here. Man, it's like this thing is glued in here. Wow. One of the tabs broke. Press down on both of them and pull it out. All right. So this is a replacement, I guess. It didn't matter. So I should just go right in and plug right up. So this one went in like so. We know the bottom one broke. So those two notches will be facing the bottom. So to go in like this. Those two notches there. You guys can see them in there. So it goes in like this. So let's install it. Look at this. Let me give you guys a close-up look at it anyway. These are 6,000 K. Alright, that's it. So I'm gonna do the other side, and then we're gonna come back. We're gonna replace the puddle lamps. I'll film the puddle lamps. Well, let's do this right now. Let's do the puddle lamp right now. I'm trying to one-hand this, so let me twist this out. All right, it just twists out the housing, super easy, and it just pulls out. Typical 194 style bulb. So we're gonna look at all the LEDs I got. That's one of them. Let's go grab some LEDs. Okay guys, I got many different kind of LEDs. I got 4 different kinds. This got a gel, like lens on it, made out of a gel type material. This one's really good. Probably go with this one. This one's really bright. And this one's also got like a gel type to it. So one or the other. I'm gonna try this one first. White one. And then we're gonna try this one. Alright guys, we're gonna go with these. These white ones are super bright LEDs. So yeah, we're gonna go with the white ones. The black ones look good too. Let's try the black one. This is the white one. Let's try the black one, guys, so you guys see how they look at least. Okay, we got the black one in. Here's the white one. And let's see how this one looks. What you do is hit the unlock button on the remote. That look good too. White ones just have more nodes, so we're gonna go with the white one. That's super bright too. That's blinding bright. So we're gonna go with the white one. Both of them around the 6,000 K on the Kelvin scale. So we're gonna rock with the white one. The black look good though. Look really good. All right, guys, we got it back in. Very simple to install. It goes in this lock here. pops in place. So let's take a look at it. Now that's what we talking about. That's that look. All right, let's do the front light, and I'll record that, guys. Let's do this front bulb. I'm gonna just clean this up to this lens. Let's do this front light. I'm gonna undo this one, undo this one, and pull it back some, and I should be able to get it without removing the whole entire light by itself. And then I'll do the other side off camera, and I'll show you guys how it looks when I'm done. So I'm gonna change out the interior lights as well. I got 6 bulbs here, LEDs. Might as well change. Got a box full of assorted these LED lights of all different brands. Bought them about a year ago. So this lens comes off easily. Just get a small, very small flathead screwdriver. And you got these 4 spots here. I'll show you guys how to take off the other. Very easy without damaging it. So I took disconnect the battery because these things get really hot. Just put out of place. It went in there. So let's take this one out. All right, let's do the back too. So we got some tabs here. So it's on both sides, the hook there on this side. So let's take this out. If it's dark, forgive me. I'm trying to brighten it up some on the camera. Let's pop this one out. The other one is exactly like this. And then let me show you how to take this one out. So I'm gonna replace these and I'll be back in a second. All right, guys, we got these 2 on. Only one of those on, and these are not on. They have to be reversed around. Pop these lenses back in place. All right, let's get the headlights done and we'll be done with this. We're wrapping it up all over in. Looks super nice now. Looks super nice and modern. All right, we're gonna remove these 2 bolts. That's one that holds it here. We gotta go through the fender cover, the wheel cover. Easy to remove, but let's see if we can just get some room here to get my hand in here. I got fairly big hands, but we're gonna see. 10 millimeter, guys. Remove this. Got some movement. Not much. It's right there. Both of them. We're gonna see. I can get one of them. Got my hand going through here. Here. So I will be able to get this one out. I can actually unplug it first and then twist it out. All right, guys, I'm ready to get both of them from here. My hands go through here. I'm gonna do one of them right here for you guys. This is this one. Just got it out. And the other one I'm getting out from that side. You can see I already twisted it. So let me swap these out. This is the H11, the low beam bulb. Let me show you which ones we're going with. So these are standard halogen bulbs. These are LEDs. Putting LEDs in here now. So this is the H11. It's the bulb. We're gonna remove this one. Easy to remove. Got those clips on the side. You can see the notches here. Both sides. That locks it in place. I'll pull these two out. That's it. Old bulb, new bulb. We're going in. Go down there and twist it in place. One hand this, guys. We're in just that simple. Man. Alright, we got it out. The plug is not as long as the low beam, but the high beam. Just gonna unplug it and pull it out. You're gonna get a flathead screwdriver and unplug it from the back. See if you guys can see. I'll show you guys when I pull it out how it unplugs. But we're gonna get that back in there easy too. That's what we do. We do it, we get it done in the simplest form. Alright. Got it out. Couple seconds there, the plug. And we're gonna get it plugged up. Even though it's in there, you're gonna get that plug back up in the new one. Just wanna show you guys the new bulb. We're gonna finish this off. Then I'll do the other side and the puddle lamp. And we're gonna show you, and also the other fog lamp. And we're gonna show you guys how everything looks this tonight. All right, it's 9:05. 9:05. Right here. All right, plugged in 2 seconds. We're plugged in. That's what we do. We get the job done around here, guys. We get the job done. I actually went behind here, came through here. See my hand? And I held the plug and pushed it up into the light while my other hand was this way. So let's get the plug back in here and show you guys in a second. Done. Literally took 2 seconds. It literally took 2 seconds to get that in there. Piece of cake. So we're done with this side. Completely done. Just only removing those 2 screws. Didn't damage anything. Push that back up there. Tighten this down. We're gonna go to the other side. See how they look in the dark. Puddle lights. Super bright. Started. Super bright. bright to stable fog lamps. Super bright. Look at that.